Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Chandra Awesome again. In this video, we will working with the Fusion 360. Uh, I recently started the Fusion 360 designs, but I got stopped because of my system was not supporting that time. So today, I'm going to teach you. From today onwards, I'm going to teach you Fusion 360 videos also. Let's jump into the tutorial, guys. I had already taught you how to design this model jar in Onshape CAD software and do the same in Fusion 360 also. Let me show you the process, but the only two names will change, guys. Okay, let me hide this body. Now let's jump into the tutorial again. Click on the sketch. This is the interface. Now you might already know. Now let's click on the sketch, select the top plane and draw the circle. As per the dimension, it is constrained with the minimum as the default parameter. Give the dimension you want. I'm just giving 70 here. Now finish the sketch. Now extrude this, and this is the extrude tool, guys, and you can see the angle. This is the draft option what we have updated in Onshape CAD software. That is this. There's nothing much difference. Okay, let's keep as 0. We no need to work this, and extrude to we give 70, right? So let's give to 85 as per this shown. Now click on OK. Now we created solid successfully. Now what we need to do this cell operation. For the cell operation, click on here. You can see the modify tools. You can find the shell operation. Click on shell and click on the face where you want to shell. Even you can also do perform here also. Let's give one name and see it will disappear. So we don't need this surface, that is selected. We want to work this one, and I'm giving to we given 7, right? Let's give to 3 mm. I think that much is enough. Now we need to done wrap operation. You can find the wrap operation as Emboss Tool, right? In the Onshape, the wrap operation will work only on cylindrical surfaces, but here this wrap operation, this emboss operation will work on any curved surfaces as per the sketch profile we selected. I will teach you how does it works in upcoming tutorials. Now let's do work this one. Click on not the emboss tool, we need a sketch profile, right? So for that now we need to select the plane. Here you can see the construct tool. Click on it. You can see the offset plane. Click on it and select the plane which you want to offset and drag it and click on OK. Now select the plane and select the sketch tool. It will automatically drag to the change the position to sketch 1. Draw the line, guys, and here you can see the slot tool. Select center to center slot, select the 2 points and drag it to see the curve slot shape, and select the dimension and give values to the arc. Let's give 6.5, and that's much is enough. You can also give the length here also and finish the sketch. Now in the create option you can see Emboss Tool. Click on Emboss Tool and select the sketch profiles and faces you want to do. These are same like wrap, guys. If you want to remove, just change the direction to backwards, and see we got to remove the tool and come into the right plane. Here in this, by using you can drag, change the angle of the position. As you see, I give 30 degrees and click on OK. Now we successfully performed this wrap operation. Now we need to do patterns. For the patterns, click on create. Here you can see the patterns. Select on circular pattern, and we need to select the features. The default selected by body, so we need to select the features. And if you can't able to select here you can select from here and select the axis as edge of the circle and give how much count you want. So you say it is enough and click on OK. Now we successfully created the same model tool what we have learned in Onshape CAD software. And the advantage of our Fusion is you can render this. You don't need to pay for anything for rendering. Just come into click on this render option and click on appearance. And drag it. Now you can add what color you want. If I want to add this class, drag it and enter here. Now we successfully drawn the applied color to it. Now exit edges and set up the scene settings and click on plus button and reduce the brightness so you can see the best view. Now click on OK. If you want to the best animation, we need to do the render. So click on canvas render. So the rendering will apply to the part automatically, but it takes time, guys, because my system is doesn't have any render studio or graphic card to perform high level renderings. So I'm just making these simple rendering operations. If you want to create renderings, you should maintain some graphic card and which is good RAM system. So I'm just pausing here 20 seconds. It takes too much time for calculations, guys. So I'm going to start the rendering. If you want, you can save the images of render files like capture, and here you can save. When you click on OK, it will save automatically. That's all about today's topic, guys. If you really understand my concept and my tutorials, please do like, share and subscribe our channel, guys. From now onwards we will work with Fusion also. Fusion have many surface tools. You can work with them all and